Respected Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Sir, teachers, lovely juniors and my dear friends. It's me Sweksha Karan from Creative 7 and today I am going to play the role of narrator and now my friends are going to introduce themselves.
Morning everyone, it's me Sai Josiah.
Good morning everyone, it's me Aistas from Piece 5. Today I am playing the role of Hunter.
Good morning everybody, it's me Mithra Shrestha from Piece 5. Today I am playing a role of tree. Good morning everybody, it's me Akriti Chan. Today I am playing the role of deer. Good morning everyone, it's me Sika Das. I am playing the role of tree. Good morning everyone, it's me Riksha Das from Creative 7 and I am playing the role of turtle. Good morning everybody, it's me Safal Sharma from Piece 5 and I am playing the role of mouse. Good morning everyone, it's me Revika Lungeli from Creative 7 and I am playing the role of crow. Good morning everybody, it's me Srija Dadri from Piece 5 and I will be holding a poster.
Long time ago, in a jungle, there lived three friends, a crow, a turtle, and a mouse. They were very good friends. They always helped each other. One day, when they were sitting and talking, a deer walked up to them. By seeing the deer for the first in the jungle, the turtle said,
You are a new being. I have never seen you in this jungle before.
I am new to this jungle. The previous jungle in which I lived, I had no friend there. So I left that jungle and immediately researched here.
So you are alone and you need a friend.
The turtle, the crow, and the mouse looked at each other and smiled.
Although we are only three friends, but now we are four friends.
The deer became friends with them. The next day, all four of them went in the same different direction to look for food. By the evening, they used to meet at the same spot. Everything continued the same for a few days. Then one day the deer didn't return in the evening. Due to this, the other three friends started getting worried.
The sun has almost set. The deer is not returned yet.
Yes, she haven't get so much late.
Yes, she has been back by now. We must look for her.
Yes, let's go and search her.
No, not you two. Only I will go and search for her. Thus, I can fly and I have a wide view and will be able to search her quickly.
The crow took off to search the deer. After wandering for a while, the crow heard a voice. She gazed down in the ground and she saw the deer in the net. Seeing her friend in a trapped condition, she immediately went down to her.
Let me take a sample.
Without wasting the time, she flew back
The turtle and mouse who were
waiting for her. The crow narrated them the whole situation.
What are you saying? A hunter? Yes, a hunter has trapped the deer. Before the hunter returns, Mouse, my friend, come with me and cut the trap with your sharp teeth.
The crow and
Rat reached the spot. Cut this net, my friend. The rat quickly cut the net, and the deer was free.
the turtle also reached there.
Are you okay, my friend?
Yes, I am fine. All of you saved me.
Then suddenly the hunter returned to the spot and saw the deer was free. The rat saw the hunter. Oh my God, the hunter is here! Run, run! Seeing the hunter came closer, the crow flew away. The rat gone to the nearest road. The deer sprinted inside the bushes. The turtle, however, could neither run nor hide. The hunter caught the turtle, put her in a sack, and took her away. After some time, the deer, the crow, and the mouse gathered at one place. They were very sad about the turtle being captured.
In order to save my life, turtle got captured.
I have a trick through which the turtle can be saved.
How? The hunt.
The hunter is alone and we are three. The hunter hasn't reached the river yet.
That's our idea. Let's go now.
The crow explained them her trick and how it was to be executed. When they reached lakeside, according to the crow's trick, the deer pretended to be dead and the crow was pretended to putting out the deer's eyes. The rat was ready in the bushes for the right moment. The hunter reached the spot and saw the deer lying dead in the road. He said, "Wow, my dear." The hunter got greedy and went to catch the deer. As soon as the hunter moved away from the sack, the mouse ran. The mouse ran and started cutting the sack. The moment the hunter came closer to the deer, the crow flew away. The deer got up and ran away. The hunter failed to understand what's happening. By now, the mouse had freed the turtle from the sack. They too rushed toward the bushes. The hunter came back, disappointed. To pick up the sack, he found out that the sack was cut and the turtle was escaped. The hunter felt distressed. On the other hand, the turtle, the crow, the deer, and the mouse reunited with happiness. In this way, all four friends help each other. This shows together we can solve any kind of problem. Moral of the story is unity is strength. Thank you.